We have Irene Suh, who will present Sonic Code. Please welcome Irene to the stage.
Hi everyone, my name is Irene and I am the Product Marketing Manager at Infosonic. And I would like to first welcome you and thank you for taking the time to come attend this event. So let's see. So as the number of smartphone users grow, the size of the mobile payment market is growing rapidly. But only 1 out of 6 people use mobile payments. And actually, I'm one of the 5 who doesn't use mobile payments just yet. And I was thinking, why are more and more people enjoying the convenience and the ease of mobile payments? Well, I can answer that. The answer is very simple. The payment technology is fragmented. If you think about it, there's QR code, there's barcode, there's NFCs, there's Apple Pay for iPhones, Samsung Pay for Samsung phone, and there's just no single player that covers the whole market. So how can we solve this? What is it that can be supported on any devices? And we thought of sound. Our solution is called Sonic Code. What is it? It's a near-field communication technology. What does it require? It requires devices with speaker and microphone. So basically any electronic devices. What does it do? It transmits encrypted, inaudible sound pattern data. And so what is it so unique about it? Well, unlike other technology of similar fields, it supports all smartphones and devices, and it does not require extra hardware such as special reader for QR codes and barcodes. And only software update is all you need. And lastly, it provides a seamless user experience. Now, the concept of Sonic Code can easily be received as a new or high technology, but it's really not. The data transmission method of using sound is simple and one of the classic wireless communication methods that has been around for years. This is an intermediate technology which can easily be integrated into existing infrastructure at low cost. And I'm going to show you a quick video of some of the use cases using Sonic Code. And please keep in mind that we are a solution provider. We're not an application provider. So what you will see here is just a few examples of how businesses can use Sonic Code. Not only those use cases, you can also think about ATM machines, kiosks, basically any electronic devices that has a speaker and microphone. Sonic Code is a great complement to existing technologies. Barcode is a one-dimensional or linear technology, whereas QR is a two-dimensional barcode. And where Sonic Code comes in, it's a three-dimensional audio scanning technology. The recognition speed rate of Sonic Code is about less than a second with 0.16 seconds. And the travel range is within 10 to 30 centimeters, so very near field. And there's about 281 trillion concurrent code that is available. And lastly, with CRC24, the error detection rate is 99.99994%. And that's not a random number that I came up with. There's actually math done to retrieve that number. And as mentioned earlier, we are a solution provider. So we will provide our Sonic Code SDK for business partners at annual subscription rate. And the service runs entirely on business's part, meaning that there is no network connection with Infosonic. This will allow businesses to provide secure yet very flexible services to their end users. So, since January of 2014, we have continuously made progress. With the first prototype in September 2015, we began commercializing in May of 2017. And we've secured some funds through private investments and through Korea Credit Guarantee Fund. And now we are actively marketing ourselves to the world. And lastly, we have successfully done our vendor briefing with Gartner just last November. And we want to also thank two of the major banks in Korea, Shinhan and Hana Banks, as our great supporter and mentors. And currently, we have 3 months free trial for any businesses, any companies who want to try out our service. And currently, we have national telecom companies as well as mobile payment companies from Philippines, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Nigeria, and Korea who's trying out Sonic Code solution. And now it's your turn. With simple integration of Sonic Code SDK, you can create your own Internet of Sound and bring a whole new experience to your end users. We're looking to meet with any potential business partners, investors, or anybody who's interested in getting to know more about Sonic Code. And we have our booths available on the 8th floor at the exhibition area. If you're interested, please come talk to us. We'll be able to show you a live demo. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.